In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to Monday.com using an integration platform. To get started, open the integration platform you want to use. This is the tool that will act as the bridge between Smartsheet and Monday.com, allowing information to move between the two systems without needing to copy and paste it manually. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace or project area so the setup stays organized and easy to manage later. Next, choose Smartsheet as the first app. In most integration tools, this first app is the source, meaning it's where the data will begin or where changes will be detected. When you select Smartsheet, the platform may ask you to connect your account if you haven't already done that. Just follow the prompts and make sure the connection is active before moving on. After that, choose Monday.com as the second app. This is usually the destination app where the data will be sent, updated, or mirrored depending on how you set up the workflow. As with Smartsheet, you may need to authorize access if this is your first time connecting Monday.com to the platform. Once both apps are linked successfully, you're ready to define exactly what should connect. Now select the sheet in Smartsheet and the Monday board you want to connect. Be careful here, because choosing the correct sheet and board is essential for making sure the right data ends up in the right place. If you manage multiple projects, it helps to double check the names before continuing so you don't accidentally sync the wrong records. The next step is to map your Smartsheet columns to the matching Monday.com fields. This part tells the integration where each piece of information should go. For example, a task name in Smartsheet should match the item name field in Monday.com, and date, status, or owner fields should be aligned with their correct equivalents. Take your time during mapping because accurate field matching is what makes the integration useful and reliable. Once the fields are mapped, choose the sync direction or automation rule. This determines how the information will move. Depending on the platform, you may be able to send data one way, sync changes both ways, or trigger updates only when certain events happen. Pick the option that fits your workflow and helps avoid duplicate or unintended updates. Finally, test the integration and confirm that data moves correctly. Run a sample update or create a test item to make sure everything appears where it should. If something looks off, review your field mapping and sync settings before going live. Once the test works, your Smartsheet and Monday.com connection is ready to use.